Back here with another product review. This time it's the EVBASE front license plate holder for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. I've got this because the original one that came with my car, it's held on with the double-sided tape, and I just completed doing a full body paint protection film on it, and I don't want to stick this to the front bumper, so I won't be using this one. I've had these in the past. The last one I had, it had like a key, so it locked it, and then it had a knob for opening and closing it. This is an updated version now, and it has just a knob that has a security bit on the end of it, so you don't have to lock it. You just take the knob off, put it in your console or in the glove box. Be sure to keep it in your car. Anyway, let's go ahead. There is a bit of assembly for it, and so we'll unbox it here. We'll mount it to my license plate with the powered by the sun Tesla license plate cover. So let's go ahead and let's take a look what's in the box. So in the box they provide some instructions on how to use it. We can toss those. This is the license plate holder. The way it works is you'll take the knob that's provided here, and it has a security bit in it, and so you'll just put it in there, and then what it's doing is it's opening and closing these clamps when you mount it to the grill, and I'll show you how to do that. And so you'll just turn this till it's tight, take this out, put it in your car, and then you're good to go. They also provide the Allen key style for it as well, so you can do it this way if you wish. So either way it works just fine. Just make sure that you don't lose either one of these. I would maybe put this in a toolbox or somewhere that you know where it is, and then take this one with you on the road, leave it in your car like I said. And then they do provide a couple tools, a small Robson screwdriver, again that Allen, well, this is the security key nut piece. There's a Allen key screwdriver. It's kind of weird. Normally you just get it as an Allen key. And then that's the knob. They do provide all the hardware that's needed. So they've got some covers and all the screws and nuts and bolts that we'll need to put this together. So I'll go ahead and just dump these right here. And then there is, like I said, some assembly that's required. So that's all that's in the box. And what we're going to be doing is mounting these to the bracket so that it sits on there, and then this will get mounted to here. So that's how it's going to look. So let's go ahead. We'll first assemble this. So it shows this is to be installed on the top. So we'll just grab these here and that little Allen key screwdriver, and we're going to go ahead and get it started. Once you've got all three in there, then you can just go ahead and tighten them. Just make sure you get them tight. Okay, so we've got all the pieces here together. Again, this is the locking mechanism. License plate sits up here. So what's next step is mount the license plate. So that's going to sit on here. It looks like this screwdriver is a security bit. So we'll just go ahead and put that on there. I'm going to have to grab a wrench to fit that. Once you've got the license plate mounted, the bracket put together, just need to snap on these black covers just to make it look good. And just snap on top. There you go. That's what it's going to look like. Looks pretty secure. And so let's go ahead, we'll go and install this on the front bumper, and we'll see how it works. So the one thing I would like to see, if there could be an improvement, is I know for packaging it's better that it comes like in smaller size, but it'd be nice if these came together. But other than that, it seemed fine. I kind of like how it gives you the knob to carry in your car, and then an extra security Allen key, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what they're going to call this. It's just like a little triangle on the end. Put this in your toolbox or somewhere where you know it's going to be. Okay, so to install it, you're just going to put this in here and turn it all the way to the right, so that makes it open. And then once you mount it, you're just going to go ahead and turn this all the way to the left till it's tight, and then take this out and put it in your car. So I like how quick that is. So let's go and install this. Okay, so the way this fits is this piece right here lines up with these center fins right underneath the camera. So all it's required to install it is you slide it into the centerpiece, and you'll know if you've got it because you can move it side to side and it's just locked into that spot. And then you're going to take the knob and you're just going to tighten that up until it's tight. And there you go. That's all there is to it. And there's space in between, so it's not going to hit anything. And again, I like how it's not required to be double-sided taped to the front of the bumper. So let's go ahead and so here's all it takes to take it off. You've got the knob right here. Put the knob into the hole, turn it all the way to the right, and off you go. I really like this removable license plate holder from EVBASE. What I like about it, it has a couple things. One is I'm not sticking some plastic thing on my paint or onto my PPF, since I just finished doing that paint protection film on my car. The ones that are held on with 3M tape, they are known to fall off. I've never seen one fall off, but I've heard about it. And what's really nice is you can take this off in an instant. So like if you're going to go to the car wash, it's super easy to take off. You just take the knob, couple twists, and off you go. So like in my case, I just want to clean behind the bumper. I just went for a drive. It got soaked. And then all you're going to do is place this back directly underneath the camera. And then just tighten that up. And there you go. Again, make sure that you keep the knob in your car or console somewhere. Otherwise, you won't be able to take it off. If you're interested in purchasing a license plate holder like this or any other EVBASE products, they're running a massive Black Friday special for the remainder of the month. I've got a discount code that you can use. It's BC Tesla Guy 26. That'll save you 26% on all products on their website. So get out there and customize your car. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of new videos now that I've got this brand new Model Y Juniper. Again, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you soon.